Hello, my dear friends. It's Snacks Biology, and I am Hemant Naik, your biology teacher. Today, we are going to discuss about the chromosomal disorder, which is class 12th biology. Then, why will make it the difference? Because when you are studying the differentiate between them, no, it will be recall fast, and any type of question will come. No, you should not be confused. Sometimes, what will happen? We are reading as a theory and or as a paragraph, but when it is coming to the multiple choice or sometimes you are getting the confusion. The right is there, this answer is belongs to A or B or something like that. That's why when you are making that differentiate, then I'm quite sure that you will be easily recall all these things. Now try to start the chromosomal disorder. First, the chromosomal disorder is the Down syndrome. What is the Down syndrome? Down syndrome is a trisomy condition. What is called trisomy? Tri means what? Three. Zomy means chromosome. Trisomy condition means a three chromosomes are combined. What is these three chromosomes are combined? You see, we having the 23 number of pairs, not chromosomes. 23 number of pairs. In the 23 number of the pairs, no, one pair which is 21 number chromosome, which is autosome, it is in place of the two, it is three is present. That's why it is called trisomy conditions. What? It is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosomes which is number 21, and this condition is called the trisomy. That means in the chromosome number 21, which is autosome, in place of the 2 3 is present. You see, if 3 is present, somewhat maybe it will be the problem will be create, no, and that is called the Down syndrome. That Down syndrome related to the autosomes, not sex chromosomes. Now come to the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, what? It is a presence of an additional copy of X chromosome in a body of a male. You see, it is clearly mentioned in a body of a male. Male having what? Chromosomal configuration X, Y. You all know in lower class also you read. But it is a one more X chromosomes. That means what? That means that X, XY, because XY is generally for male, and one more X chromosome is added, my dear. That's why it become XXY. Now, third, Turner syndrome. What is absence of one of the X chromosome in a female? Female, what is the sexual configuration? X, X. But one absent is means that definitely it is X0. Now, karyotype. That means configuration of the chromosomes in the nucleus we will study, which is a very important question in the exam, any exam. Karyotype of the individual of which is suffered by the Down syndrome. Suppose Down syndrome हुआ तो उसका कैरियो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे होगा? Suppose what is our condition? Our condition that everything is same. It is maybe a male or female, it doesn't matter. But 21 autosome number 21 having the three chromosomes. We having the 22 pairs, that is 44 chromosomes, and XY. Suppose it is considered as a male. But one more chromosome is there, 44 plus 1 plus XY. That means total 44 plus 1, 45 plus XY if it is considered as a male. Then 45. The number of the chromosomes become 45 plus if it is a male XY, that is called 47. Once again, then don't be forget, it is the most important part of the concept. 44 that means 22 pairs. Clear everyone? Because we're having the total 23 pairs. 22 pairs is autosomes. It is 22 pairs, that is 44 chromosomes. Plus if it is a considered as a male, that is XY. Then 44 plus 1, because one more copy is there in place of the 2. It is a 2, one more it is combined here. That's why it is plus 1, 44 plus 1, 43 autosomes. Oh, sorry, 44 plus 1, 45 autosomes, and one pair of sex chromosomes, that is XY. Suppose it is considered as a male. Total number of chromosomes is 47. Now tell me, what is the number of the chromosomes present in the Down syndrome? It is 47. Now come to the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, what? Presence of an additional copy of the X chromosome. Female what? See, that is 22 pairs, that is 44. 22 pairs autosomes, 44. That's why it is what? It is a male. That's why it is a XY. Male means XY, female means XX, you know. And what is the condition of our? It is one more X chromosome. We added one more X chromosome. What is the total number of chromosomes? 44 plus XY, the genotype. In total it is 47. What is the condition? What is the chromosome genotype? X, X, Y, because a male having more than a male having one more X chromosome with 44, that is total number of chromosomes is 47. That means number of the chromosomes in the Down syndrome is 47. Number of the chromosomes in Klinefelter syndrome is also 47. Now, Turner syndrome. What is the condition of the Turner syndrome? One chromosome absent in the female. Now, see karyotype we will study. 22 pairs, that is 44 chromosomes. And after that, it is a female. No, what is my condition? It is a female. Female means what? X, X. Where lower classes also study, man. Homozygote. Then it is XX, then it become X because one is absent, that's why I wrote X0. And number of chromosomes is 45. What is the number of chromosomes? It is 45. Then now we'll consider what are the numbers. For the Down syndrome, total number of chromosomes is 47. In Klinefelter syndrome, it is 47. And in the Turner syndrome, it is 45. Now come to the characteristics. Suppose a person is affected by the Down syndrome, what will be the happen? What will happen? See, it is a short stated, small height हो जाएगा और राउंडेड फेस हो जाएगा, फुरोड टंग हो जाएगा. टंग जो है ना उसमें धार 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 जैसे डेवलप हो जाएगा. A long depressed line will develop in the tongue, that is called the furrowed tongue. And psychomotor, what is the psychomotor? Means suppose you are riding the car. In the car, when you will ride, no, you have to balance all these things. What is balance of the leg, balance of the hand, balance of the mind? These three are become proper coordination between them, that is called the psychomotor. And after that, if the mental is not proper condition, you cannot drive properly. That's why in this case the mental development is poor and psychomotor problem will develop in the Down syndrome. In the Down syndrome, if it will develop, you see why it is developed, because trisomy conditions. Trisomy conditions, why? Because more one autosome chromosome in the 21st chromosome. Now, Klinefelter syndrome, what will problem? In the Klinefelter syndrome, masculine means development of male character, feminine development of the female character, and gynecomastia development of the breast. Whether first you consider it is a male, that means it should be masculine. Muscle development is there, or male character will be developed very often. But here problem is that feminine also developed, female character also developed in the male. Male having the female character is a Klinefelter syndrome. And one more, why it is developed? Because one X chromosome carries the female character. When one more X chromosome is combined here, then what will happen? XXY will happen and female characters will develop. That is called the feminine. And the individually sterile because they are unable to give birth. It is a male, sterile male. Don't forget, the Klinefelter syndrome is a sterile male. He is a male. He is not a female. Now, Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome means what? It is a female, not male. Female, but absence of X chromosome. If absence of X chromosome, what I told, X chromosome is carries the male character. But when it is absent in the Turner syndrome, it is a lack of the female character definitely, because X chromosome is responsible for the female character. If it is absent, then what will happen? Then absence of female character will occur. First is ovaries are become rudimentary, means not functional. Ovary is present, but it will not function properly. Lacks of secondary sexual characters are become development of the breast, men's cycle. All these things become not seen in the, and these individuals are infertility, means it is cannot fertile individual because it is a female. That's why infertility, unable to give birth to the young ones. Now I have become, what we understand today video, we understand that Down syndrome is a trisomy conditions where an extra autosome is present and the number of the chromosome will form 47, because one extra 46 plus 1 47. In the Klinefelter syndrome, one XX chromosome means sex chromosome is there. It is also 47 with the genotype XXY, and the individual is sterile, and masculine and feminine both the characters will develop, and gynecomastia is developed, development of the breast. When Turner syndrome, it is 45 because lack of one chromosome, 46 minus 1, that is 45. But what is problem is that X chromosome is absent. That's why what is the female character will develop. Oh, it is a male, female, but what is the female character will develop? That is the reduced. That's why ovaries become rudimentary, secondary sexual characters will not develop. That is 45. He is also infertility, Down syndrome, but rare case they are giving birth to the humans. In mostly cases, they are become also like sterile. That's why this is the difference between the Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. I hope you understand my concept very clearly. Thank you for watching my video.